Tama ba?
Your thoughts.
I still think we should do 3 truths and a lie as well. That one's but that we have to prepare earlier. Diba? So maybe bukas, tawagan kita
Kaya mag-isip ng mga questions.
for homework.
Ang hirap, diba? Homework.
Lay Lemon said they sang plays. Yesterday, Frankie asked you to sing.
Kumanta kaya ako kahapon. Ay, kahapon ba yun? That was yesterday, diba?
Yeah, I think so. Frankie, show your mama. Oh, my mama's not here right now, po. Guys, I'm gonna.
Your brother and your sister were together yesterday. Huh? Your ate and your kuya, they were together yesterday.
Yeah, they live really close to each other in Sydney, so it's cute. They see each other a lot. I really wish we could travel between Australia and New Zealand, pero hindi na. Where is Tigger? I'm looking for. He's been gone for a long time. I'm a little bit. Saan ka? I'll let you know. Believe me, I'll let you know if he comes. Okay, I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click it, Dave. We're gonna do a few more people. Okay. It's gonna be a boy. It's gonna be a girl.
Other guy. Hello, kuya.
Hello.
Hi.
Kumusta ka po?
Hello po.
Kamusta ka, kuya?
From Wish FM.
Wish.
Na ano?
Do you know that, Frankie?
Radio station?
Yeah, radio station.
I've heard of that before. Talaga?
Yun yung nasa bus, di ba?
Yeah, nasa bus. Yung makanta sa Wish bus.
Can you talk about us on the radio, kuya?
Gusto niyo ba mag-guess?
Pwede.
Pwede po. Kakanta kayo.
Oh my God. You wanna sing live now, Frankie?
Pwede. And you can sing your Daniel Padilla song then.
Okay lang. Pwede. Live yun.
Live?
Opo, live yun. Live.
Live yun, di ba?
Opo, live po yun.
Talaga?
Live.
Opo.
Shy ko po.
Bali subaybayan ko kayo sa PBB.
Ay, talaga. Thank you, kuya.
Saan ka nakatira, kuya?
Sa Novaliches po.
Saan yan?
Novaliches.
Novaliches. Medyo malayo.
Quezon City.
Oo. Pero medyo malayo.
Oo.
Di ba, kuya?
Opo, medyo
Novaliches. Saan nga ba malapit yung Novaliches? Malapit ba yung sa Muntinlupa? Parang gano'n, di ba?
Malayo.
Malayo ba yun? Sorry.
Malayo.
Feeling ko yun yung magkakalapit Novaliches, Muntinlupa.
Yeah, di
ko. Na-try ko lang umakyat, nakaakyat pala. Akala ko So thank you na nakasama ako sa.
Thank you for joining us, Kuya.
Pero sana kumakanta pa kayong dalawa?
Pwede.
Depende. Kaya lang.
Pag nagkaroon kayo ng album or sana maka-join din kayo sa Wish Bus.
Oo nga. Wow, album daw, Frankie. You wanna make an album?
Or song lang, kahit song.
Frankie,
ano album? Dalawa.
Malapit sa Pasko. May Pasko album.
Oh my gosh.
Meron kayo?
Hindi pa. May, pangarap ko lang.
Mariah Carey.
Pangarap nyo lang.
Right.
Ayun lang po, dumaan lang ako. Sige, thank you sa
Thank you, kuya. Ingat ka.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Hello, baby girl. Naiyan siya.
Why are you shy, di ba? She's shy. Come on, sit down.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Run away.
Di ba? They are from PBB. Di ba? You watch PBB? shy. Huh? Hi.
Kamusta? Hello, baby girl.
Hello.
Oh, hello daw.
Smile. Picture.
Nice to meet you, ate.
Don't be shy. Na-shy na.
Naya na siya.
Nahiya na siya. Kanina ka pa tap ng tap, tas ngayon, oh. You keep on tapping, tapos ayan na, ayaw mo na, na-shy na siya.
Ang kalagkera po, ate.
Tigasan ka, ate. Tigasan kayo ni Bibi.
From Lipa, Batangas.
Batangas.
Ganda doon sa Batangas.
Yeah.
And masarap ang lomi.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, totoo.
And coffee.
Kopi?
Kaping barako.
Kape. Oo nga.
At Tapin. I tried that there. Sarap yan.
Yeah.
Have you tried their lomi, Frankie? Sarap lomi, no?
Actually, I did try it. At Taiping. Sarap.
Sarap. Tapos ang daming chicharon sa taas.
Nice to meet you, ate.
Nice to meet you, ate. Bye-bye, baby girl.
Thanks. Na-shy na tong baby girl ko eh.
Ingat ka dyan.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan, ate. See you soon.
Oh, that was cute.
Nahiya na siya bigla.
Bata. Okay, I'm gonna mission. We're not ending the stream until you meet Tigger.
Sige, call Tigger na. Show us Tiggy.
Tigger. It's not like a cat where you can just like call them. I mean, not like a dog where you can just call them. Wow, it's like he's literally not here.
Wala
Camera
talaga?
Here, yeah.
Nahiya na si Tiggy.
Just say. Psh, psh,
Hello, Ariana Grande.
psh, 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 psh.
Hi, Ariana Grande.
Oh, thank you, Joy Lang. Do I like my top day? Do I like my top? I'm trying to be really wintry, no.
You know
Thank
Kim
you,
Boy?
Woogie. Huh?
Do you know Kim Boy? Someone saying.
Yeah,
Kim
I was
Boy.
talking to him the other day. He.
Ah,
Oh, do you know you? Thank you, F.A. Barry. So he lives in Dunedin. He did a quarantine also. He's a vlogger. I think he's with maybe he's with GMA. He got lump, but he's more of a vlogger. And he lives in the same hometown as me. So
Oh,
he's back on.
talaga?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, my phone's gonna die. I really need to go back to where I was. Tigger! Nah,
Frank
I
Stone was dying.
sa labas siya. Yeah. Wala siyang pakialam sa akin.
Tigger!
Tigger! Come out, wherever you are.
Baka nag-school si Tigger.
I like your taong. Thank you po. Oh, they wanna umakyat. How do I say that one? Umakyat. Umakyat?
Umakyat.
Umakyat.
Maybe he's downstairs. Di ba nasa taas ka?
Opo. Wait, I need to put this in.
Opo.
Don't die on me. Here we go.
Tigger, where are you?
He's gone. Oh, thank you, Joy Lang. Collab ko kayo ni Kimpoy. Oh, he's on Kumu too. We could talk to him on Kumu. That'd be cool. Thank you.
Pwede. Next time.
Okay, so we talk to 2 more people day, and then
Game.
anong oras na? Thank you,
6.
Jay Morado, Alex Lang.
It's 6:01. How about there? What time is it there?
Kylie said, Diana, you look like my mom, so pretty.
Thank you.
It's 10 o'clock here.
10 o'clock.
Sige, I'm gonna unlock it. You ready? Hello, Joy Lang. Boom. Ayan! Hello, Kylie.
Kylie. Hello, ang cute naman.
Thank
Baby
you.
girl. Ilan taon ka na, Kylie?
I just turned 14.
Ay, 14.
Oh.
Cute.
Saan ka?
So pretty.
You're so pretty. Ang ganda-ganda
mo
mo.
talaga. Sobrang cute mo.
Thank you.
Super baby face. Ang cute.
Saan ka?
I'm from Manila.
Mm. Do you speak Tagalog? Can you speak Tagalog?
Yes.
Ay! Nakaigyan na si Tigger. Ayan, Frankie's cat is cute.
May
Tigger
puso.
finally showed up.
Oh! He doesn't like, he doesn't
I
want.
love cats.
Oh my gosh, did it scratch you?
He didn't want. I need to show you na lang. Or why you scratch me? Why you love me? Yeah, see? She always leans into my hands.
Ang cute. I can't believe he's 10 years old.
Oh. Diba? Hello. This is Diana and Kylie. Say hello, Tigger.
Hello, Tigger.
Hello.
Hello. Camera shy. Camera shy si Tigger. Doesn't
Oh.
really...
So cute. Oh, little boo boo. There you go. You met Tigger finally. You like cats, Kylie?
Tiggy.
I love cats.
Aren't they so cute? Meron ka?
Meron kang cat, Kylie? Meron kang pusa, Kylie? Do you have a cat?
Maybe mahinga yung audio.
Na yung audio.
To have one.
Oh.
I used to have a cat when I was like 8.
Oh. Thank you.
I never had a cat. Dog love.
Nice to meet you, Kylie.
Nice to meet you, Kylie. Stay pretty.
Ay, ingat ka dyan. Study hard. Mag-aaral na mabuti.
Yes, we are
I have
kapute.
She wants to be like you guys when she grows up.
Aww, ang cute.
Ilang
Younger
taon niya?
Yes.
couple.
Medyo delayed.
Oh,
Tingin.
medyo cute.
Oh, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kylie.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Kylie. Love
Take
you.
care. Bye-bye.